Today, we will be doing a Mints review and demo walkthrough. Mints is the world's #1 landing page and website builder. It builds gorgeous websites, high-converting funnels, landing pages, sales pages in any niche in 60 seconds. With Mints, no hosting, no coding, or designing is required. Before we get started with the review, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the Mints review and demo walkthrough.
Hello, and welcome to the demo of Mint software. Have you ever wondered how to convert traffic into paying customers? Well, this video is going to show you how to do just that by using our done-for-you gorgeous websites, high-converting landing pages, sales pages, funnels, and blogs in any niche. In addition, we have integrated extra money-spending options like affiliate marketing, email marketing, SMS marketing, traffic sourcing, and lots more. Indeed, this is the only software that'll help you save money, convert leads to buyers, and make you much more money. Let me show you how it works. When we log into this software, the first thing we notice is the dashboard. Here you have the download page, the email campaign, the SMS campaign, and below here you have the latest deals from Warrior Plus and JVZoo over here. If you want more of JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank deals, you can go over here. Just click on any affiliate network you want, and then you'll find the latest updated deals that are available on that particular network. Now, if you want to know more about the product, you have to visit the sales page. It will redirect to the sales page of that particular product, and from here, you'll know what the product is about. Now, if you like it, then you can grab the deal with one click and it'll redirect you to JVZoo. The same goes for Warrior Plus and ClickBank. With this software, you don't need to visit all these platforms individually. You can find all your deals on this single dashboard. Now let's go to the page builder. In Page Builder, there are various kinds of pages that you can build with the help of this awesome page builder, starting with landing page, opt-in page, thank you page, webinar page, coming soon page, checkout page, sign up page, giveaway page, and report page. For virtually any niche, you can find template pages. For example, here is a preview for landing page. This one is for opt-in page. And here is a preview for thank you pages. These are for webinar pages and so on. So if you go over here on landing page, you can easily redesign the landing page with the template editor. Everything on this page is editable, as you can see. So you can change the image over here. You can also change the text over here, just like this. And if you want to add more elements like image, text, divider, button, video, just drag and drop it over it, and it'll be displayed on your page. You can edit and change the layout here. You can add tags here and preview your site on mobile view. Do the same for tablet and for desktop view. You can change the template from here. You can add a blank template from here. Here are the preview options again. Over here we have autoresponder integrations, which will help you grab leads and connect to your customer easily. Our page builder is very flexible. You can build really cool landing pages in no time. You can save more time and money by even using our pre-existing templates. Okay, now, there we go over to SMS campaign. For SMS campaign, there are 4 features you can see over here, starting with SMS API settings, SMS campaign, SMS template, and SMS campaign sequence. So first I'll talk about SMS API settings. If you click over here, you can add new API Connect from the dropdown. Just select the gateway by choosing which one you're using from here, then insert the authentication ID or authentication key API key, and all of this. The names may be different for each gateway, but the function is the same. So if you're using Twilio, then you have to put the account SID, account token, and form. Then if you're using Plivo, you have to insert authentication ID, authentication token, and the name of sender. If you're using Nexmo, then you'll use the API key, API secret, and sender, so the name may be different, but it functions the same. After that, you have to activate the status box, and you can save it over here. So once the API is being saved, you can create the template over here. Click on Create a new template, put a template name, write whatever you want to send your customer in the content box, and then save it. So after saving the template, you can create the SMS campaign over here. Furthermore, if you have a bunch of campaigns and you want to run it on a daily or hourly basis, then you can add it on a sequence by putting the campaign name over here, select sequence type as email or SMS, and then select Email API over here, and then select the email from here. If you want to add more hour, you can do that for daily or hourly basis and then create the campaign from here. Next, we have a traffic source. There are a bunch of traffic sources that are available over here. And you can select a campaign, click on the social media network where you want to share your campaign, and it'll direct you to that particular one. Next, we have link cloaking. With this, you can shorten your URL with the help of this bit.ly URL shortener and with rebrandly. So guys, this is how to save more money, convert leads to buyers, and make more money using Mint software. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this Mint's review and demo walkthrough. To find out more about Mint's, click the link in the description below.